don't know if I can do it with a carp lighter. I can do it with other lighters. Easily. This one's just harder. You look like hands.
What?
How do you pick up a cup of coffee and this happen? I pick it up and I'm like, God damn, it's light. And I look and it's all over the fucking floor, all over the chair. This car seat.
Oh? Will you get that for Aiden?
Isn't that fucking awesome?
Yeah. Cheater.